Okay, we are going to make a taco salad in a jar. And we're going to start out, this is kale, leaf lettuce, and spinach that I got out of our garden, which is always fun to start there. And I'm going to add that into the jar. Then I'll take my basket out of the way. And then I will add some corn. Then you can either use black beans or you can use kidney beans. I couldn't find my black beans. I know they're somewhere. Then I'm going to add some salsa. I'm going to add some hamburger. And I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. I'm going to make about 4 of these. We're going to take some on a road trip. This is great for a road trip. These are great to take for your lunch at work. These are great summer on the go type meals. It's okay if our chips is broke because they'll get crunched up anyway. There is our take on the go taco salad. And then I'll just screw the lid on and that'll be our to-go salad.